Welcome back to our channel. You go to place for all things social media. Today we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to report Facebook accounts. Whether it's a fake account, someone impersonating others, or spreading harmful content, it's important to know how to take action responsibly. Before we begin, a quick reminder: with great power comes great responsibility. Reporting should only be used for legitimate reasons. Misusing the report feature can have real consequences for individuals and communities. Always ensure your reasons for reporting are valid and serious. Alright, let's get to it. Follow these simple steps to report a Facebook account. Now go to the profile of the account you want to report. Right under their photo, you'll see three dots. Click on them. Here you can see Find Support or Report. Tap on it. Here you'll need to select why you're reporting this account. Here you need to choose the option that best describes the issue. Option ranges from fake account posting inappropriate content to something else. Depending on your selection, Facebook may ask for additional details. Provide as much as information as you can. This helps the Facebook team to better understand the situation. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click send. You've now officially reported the account to Facebook for review. Remember, reporting an account doesn't guarantee it will be removed immediately. Each report is reviewed by Facebook's team to ensure it violates community standards. And there you have it, folks. You're now equipped to report Facebook accounts responsibly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.